Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Lisa, Best Life Lee. Today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing for you. I can't resist these little purses and bags from Amazon that are under $25. So I just picked one up, I just ordered one and it just came the other day. So I'm going to take it out, we're going to see it together. I was watching one of the many videos, YouTube videos about the Nordstrom anniversary sale, and one of the YouTubers had a really cute blush colored crossbody bag from Tory Burch, and it was absolutely gorgeous and it looked really great with the outfit that she was wearing, and I thought, oh, I want that. So I went out and looked at it and I just couldn't. I bought a few things from the Nordstrom anniversary sale and I couldn't see spending another $150 on a little crossbody bag that I probably would wear maybe 5 to 10 times over the summer, if that. So I went on Amazon and I was just looking, I searched for blush bags, and this one came up and I absolutely loved it. So I don't know how big it is, I have no idea what it's gonna look like, all other than the fact that it is half of a blush color and the other half is a plaid, and it reminds me of the Burberry plaid, and I absolutely love Burberry, and I have never been able to buy myself a real Burberry bag. I don't know, I love designer bags, but I don't have any designer bags. I do have some Dooney & Burks that I've gotten, maybe a couple, one as a gift and one that I bought myself from QVC, but I don't have any real like $600 upwards designer bags. So I love these that kind of have that designer look for under $25. So let's just see what this one looks like. So it's decent size, it's not tiny, but it's not huge. You can get a little sneak peek. Yeah, it's a little bigger than the last one I did. This one definitely looks like it's going to be a good one. This one is, I think I just looked, it's $22.99 or something. Oh. See the nice little check, and then the blush color, and this is tassels. This is the crossbody strap. I'm gonna take this little protective covering off. Oh, these are so pretty. These are just absolutely gorgeous. It's got gold hardware. This is what opens your zipper here on this front. And you have a really nice wide pocket here. It's got the striped interior. So this is excellent. I mean, I don't know that it would fit my phone. Let me see if that will fit my phone. And of course my phone has this little handle on it for my cover, so that makes it a little bit sometimes tough to fit into small spaces, but it fits in there perfect. This is just, it fits right in there, absolutely perfect. And then you bring your tassels in. Oh, those are so cute. And then we have our strap, crossbody strap. It has a zippered pocket on the back. Just pulled my nail off. I just pulled my nail off, so it's time to put another set on anyway. I've been not wanting to give up my pink and whites, but that's my cue. It's been over a week, so it's time. But anyway, it's got a pocket on the back. Another really good size pocket on the back. Could fit glasses. Yep, I can fit my readers in there just perfectly. I know exactly where they're going to be. And now for the inside of the bag, we have another little pocket and we have a zippered pocket in there. So this is a decent size purse, and it has the zippered pocket on the inside for whatever you want in there. It has another little pocket here for whatever you want to put there. It's nice and deep too. It's a deep pocket. So this, and it's, oh, I can already tell that it's like really going to be like nice. It has a nice feel to it. It's not stiff, it's bendable, and it looks like it won't lose its shape really either. This is great. Even though I love my bee bag very much, this little crossbody is adorable. Now it doesn't go with the outfit I have on, obviously, but this is so cute. For under $25, you cannot go wrong. And it does look like a really nice designer bag with the plaid. And I love the blush colored pink. You can't take these straps off, but I don't think you would want to. But you can definitely adjust your strap. It says it's vegan, but I'm definitely gonna link this below in the description section. So if you are ready for a new updated bag and you don't want to spend a lot of money, here you go. Yeah, I like it. I like it. All right, guys. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. I'm going to fill this thing up with all my stuff, and I am going to have a new bag to finish out the summer with. I really like it. And of course, I can use my other bag anytime I want. I really love that bee bag. I'll link it at the end of this video in case you haven't seen it. But yeah, I mean, Amazon is the place to go for bags that you want to have a little bit of a designer flair, but not a designer cost. All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you will consider subscribing. I hope that you will hit that like button, and I hope that you will come back. So take care, everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.